What exactly is a governance, risk, and compliance framework? Before we go deeper into GRC, let's first understand four important terms: framework, standard, policy, and procedure. Many words in GRC sound similar, which can cause confusion for students and beginners to understand the GRC framework. In this video, we shall discuss the most important GRC terms in a very simple way. Imagine you are opening a new restaurant in India. A framework is the overall approach and structure. It is flexible and acts as a guide. In your restaurant, you decide to manage food quality, staff training, customer service, and hygiene in a structured way. This overall approach is your framework. Real-world examples include the NIST framework, cybersecurity framework, GRC framework, and COBIT framework. Next, a standard defines specific requirements that must be followed. It is more detailed and strict than a framework. In your restaurant, food safety rules say the kitchen temperature must be controlled, staff must wash hands regularly, and surfaces must be cleaned at fixed intervals. These measurable requirements are standards. Real examples include ISO 27001, ISO 9001, PCI DSS, and HIPAA. Hope you're getting the point. And next, a policy is a rule created by your organization. It defines what is allowed and what is not. In your restaurant, you create rules like no mobile phones in the kitchen. All complaints must be resolved within 24 hours, and no expired ingredients can be used. These are your policies. Examples include information security policy, password policy, acceptable use policy, and leave policy. Finally, the procedure explains exactly how to do a task step by step. It removes confusion and ensures consistency. In your restaurant, you define steps like washing hands, wearing gloves, checking ingredients, and cooking properly. These step-by-step instructions are procedures. Examples include incident response procedure, onboarding procedure, and backup and recovery procedure. Now, let's start with the most important GRC terms. Take your time, stay patient, and aim to understand each one clearly. A framework is the overall set of rules and guidelines. Standard is a specific requirement we must follow. Policy is a high-level rule that sets the direction. Think. Framework gives structure, standard gives details, policy gives direction. Procedure is the step-by-step process to achieve something. It tells you exactly what to do and how to do it. Strategy is the plan to achieve our goals. It is about making smart decisions and choosing the right path. Structure is how things are organized. It shows the hierarchy and reporting relationships. Example: CEO, managers, teams. Architecture is the overall design of a system or organization. It shows how different parts connect and work together. A framework is like the foundation. It provides a base and a set of practices to build and operate. Matrix is a table or grid used to compare and analyze things. Example: risk matrix. The standard is mandatory. We must follow. A guideline is recommended. It's a good practice, but not mandatory. Threat is something that can cause harm. Vulnerability is a weakness. Risk is the possible impact when a threat uses a vulnerability. Control is the measure we put in place to prevent or reduce risk. Mitigation is the action we take to reduce the impact of risk. Regulation is the law or rule made by authorities. Compliance is following those rules and proving that we are following them. Audit is a formal and independent check. Assessment is a review or evaluation done by ourselves. Event is any activity or occurrence. Incident is an event that causes unwanted or negative impact. Governance is about direction, decisions, and policies by top management. Management is about execution and day-to-day operations. Asset is anything valuable to the organization. Data is raw facts and figures. Information is processed data that gives meaning. Likelihood is the chance of something happening. Impact is the effect or damage if it actually happens. Preventive controls stop problems before they happen. Detective controls find problems when they happen. Corrective controls fix the problems. All these terms work together in real life. For example, a company follows policies and standards governance, identifies risks, applies controls, ensures compliance, and improves continuously. That's all for today. Understanding these terms is the first step to becoming a GRC professional. Keep learning and stay secure.